Want to have a unified shopping experience across all your favorite stores? In this video, I'll show you how the Klarna app lets you browse and link to multiple retailers. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The Klarna app isn't a platform where you link accounts, but rather a centralized directory and portal for shopping at thousands of retailers. Open the Klarna app and tap on the Explore or Shopping tab. Here, you'll see a massive directory of supported stores. You can search for a specific retailer or browse by category. When you find a store you like, simply tap on its logo. This doesn't link accounts, but it opens a Klarna-powered browser to that store's website. You can then shop normally, and when you're ready to pay, Klarna will be a payment option. This is how you can seamlessly manage shopping at dozens of retailers from one app. A crucial pro tip: save your favorite stores. Many apps allow you to favorite or follow retailers. This creates a personalized shopping mall within your Klarna app, giving you quick access to the stores you love most. And just like that, you have a personalized shopping hub at your fingertips. Linking to multiple retailers is all about using the Klarna app as your starting point. How many of your favorite stores are in the Klarna app? Go check and tell us the number. For payment on the go, subscribe for our next video on how to pay with Klarna using your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.